Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to change the country setting in the NBA app on your phone. Whether you want to access content specific to a different region or adjust your profile information, this simple process will help you update your country easily and quickly. First, open the NBA app on your phone. Once the app is fully loaded, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your personal settings. Next, find the option labeled Edit My Profile, select it. Here, you will see various settings related to your account details. Look for the Country section, which allows you to choose your preferred country. Then, tap on the country option and scroll through the list to select the country you want to change to. Once you pick your new country, the app will automatically update this information for you. By following these steps, you can easily update your profile to match your preferred location. Thank you for watching.